VHF radio flush mount bracket. Standard horizon part number MMB-84. For Eclipse, Matrix, Quantum, and Quest VHFs. Country of origin, Japan. Flush mount bracket, standard horizon part number MMB-84, for Eclipse, Matrix, Quantum, and Quest VHFs. Top reviews from the United States. Well-constructed flush mount brackets. I ordered these because I had to replace a failed Simrad radio that was flush-mounted. I wasn't sure if I would be able to use the mounts from the Simrad because the boat is at a marina. I thought I'd get these and return them if not needed. It turns out I could have used the Simrad, but they were not nearly as well designed as these. There is a ridge on these that helps lock the bracket into the radio to keep the bracket from twisting, as the Simrad brackets did. The Simrad brackets were installed for a few years and hadn't failed though. These are sturdier and fit the radio well.